This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. The Bharatiya Janata Party has retained power in the Tiwak Autonomous Council in Assam. The counting of votes for the 36-member council was held yesterday. The BJP won 33 seats, while Assam Gana Parishad got 2 seats. The Congress Party bagged just 1 seat. The Tiwak Autonomous Council covers parts of Kamrup Metro, Moregaon, Nagaon and Hojai districts. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and Assam State BJP President Ranjit Kumar Das congratulated the party workers and thanked the voters for keeping their faith in the BJP. The Election Commission of India has issued advisory to Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Puducherry for transfer and posting of officers connected with conduct of assembly elections to be held next year. The ECI has advised that government officers directly connected with the conduct of elections must not be posted in her or his home district. Any officer who is due to retire within the coming 6 months should not be associated with any election-related duty. It also said the officers posted on recommendation of the Commission during 2019 Lok Sabha elections may be exempted from the transfer policy. The number of COVID-19 positive cases in Manipur is gradually coming down, with less than 100 cases reported each day over the past week, thus improving the situation. As per latest reports, 58 persons were confirmed as positive cases. On the other hand, 2 more persons expired in the state, increasing the number of fatalities due to the viral infection to 336 so far. Also, 148 more persons recovered, improving the recovery rate to 92.44%. On the last count, Manipur has recorded recovered and discharged cases of 25,512, while the number of active cases is 1,750. The total number of positive cases is 27,598 as per the latest data available. In Nagaland, a total of 11,101 recovered cases have been registered so far, while the active corona cases declined to 538. The state recorded 9 fresh positive cases yesterday. Also, 30 more patients recovered from the viral infection. On the last count, 63 persons have died due to COVID-19 in the state. The total confirmed corona cases in Nagaland now stands at 11,841 and recovery rate is 93.75%. The number of active COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya has declined to 557, even as 32 new cases were detected yesterday. Also, 61 more persons recovered from the viral disease, taking the number of recoveries up to 12,531. The data released by the State Health Department reflected. The new COVID-19 cases detected yesterday were 21 in East Khasi Hills, 4 each in West Garo Hills and West Jaintia Hills, 2 in Ribhoi and 1 in South Garo Hills. The East Khasi Hills, including Shillong, is the most affected district with 353 active cases and 108 COVID-19 related deaths, followed by West Jaintia Hills and 86 active cases. So far, Meghalaya has registered 13,221 COVID-19 cases, including 133 deaths with 1% case fatality rate. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh yesterday launched the Emergency Response Support System (ERSS) at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Complex. People may call the emergency phone number 112 to activate ERSS when they require emergency assistance from the police, fire service and health department. This will enable the authorities to help more people more effectively at times of emergency, the Chief Minister said. The ERSS is designed to address distress signals from citizens which are received in the form of voice calls, SMS, emails, panic SOS requests and web requests. Altogether, 63 trainees from various states of the region passed out as officers after completing the 47th basic course from the Northeastern Police Academy, NEPA, in Meghalaya yesterday. The passing out parade was reviewed by Director of NEPA, Deepak Kumar. The newly inducted officers comprised 1 Deputy Superintendent of Police from Nagaland, 39 Sub-Inspectors, 16 from Meghalaya, 15 from Nagaland, 3 from Nagaland Home Guards and Civil Defence, 2 each from Manipur and Mizoram, 1 from Tripura and 23 Assistant Sub-Inspectors, 21 from Nagaland and 2 from Manipur. Of the 63 trainees, 12 were lady officers in this batch. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.